Welcome everyone, and this is me, San, and here in this Get Trained with San channel, today in this video I'm gonna tell you about Friend Connector Pro extension, which is Chrome browser extension, right? And what it does and how you can use it and why even you should use it, right? So before I'm going forward with any of those answers, let me tell you that Friend Connector is something like very easy to use, and this is gonna help to solve your issues and save your time, right? Now when I'm saying all this, that how it will save your time, obviously the question will come in your mind, that and even like you are looking for like how it's gonna save your time, right? So for an example, right now, to get your leads who are not even means a customer yet, maybe, but they are your target audience or your hot leads, how you're finding them in your Facebook profile. You are going somewhere in a group where more than 10k or 30k members are there, and now in between those 10k or 30k members, you need to find out by scrolling through one by one slowly. Then you have to check their profiles, that to find out if even they are your target audience or not. And depending on all of these scenarios, you are deciding, okay, let's send them one particular friend request, so which is taking at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes of yours to find out those people. And now as soon as you are finding them out and sending them a particular friend request, you are also willing to send them a personalized message, right? So to write that, you need maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute, because you are thinking and typing. And now you send them a friend request, so you went to their you went to their profile, and then you send them a personalized message, right? So you already spent your 20 minutes to do that, right? Now third thing what you are doing is, if someone already sent you a friend request and you are accepting their friend request, then also you want them to get a particular personalized message from your side, right? So for that you are spending another 2 minutes or 3 minutes what to write and think and then type and then send them a message, right? So throughout this whole process you actually spend 30 minutes. Now if you consider that you have at least 100 people whom you want to send friend requests to, and that is going to take, each person is taking 20 minutes because of that search process, and then each of every one of them should get a personalized message. So another 20 message that, or 100 message that you need to create. So 100 into 20 minutes means 200 or 2000 minutes you actually already spent, right? You already spent 2000 minutes. So a couple of hours that you actually spend to send out those messages and friend requests to all those people, right? So now here Friend Connector comes in. Friend Connector is giving you that opportunity to save and create all of these sort of personalized messages before time, in the sense you create them and you save them, and they will be there with you forever as long as you are deleting them, right? And now not only that, now when you are sending friend requests, so that point of time you can also tell Friend Connector, hey Friend Connector bro, here are my keywords, use them and find those target people, and then only send them a friend request, otherwise just keep, right? So now Friend Connector is going over there on your particular group or profile or friend list and or suggested friend list, and it is only checking with your keywords that you have given to him to check. He is searching and he is looking for those information, and then from there it is deciding that should I even send a friend request or not. And as soon as it is finding, yes, this is the criteria that is matching with my master, so it is sending that friend request to that person. Now you are also telling Friend Connector, hey Friend Connector, that when you are sending a friend request to these people, you also send them a personalized message that I have given to you long back, right? Now as you have given Friend Connector like thousands of messages or hundred of messages or maybe 10 message sets only, right? Now Friend Connector will do what? Friend Connector will match, and then it will take few of the items like segments from here, from there, and it will create a very unique sentence, which obviously is a meaningful, because you only given them, you only have created that and given to Friend Connector. So it will construct that whole sentence for you or the content for you, and it will send to that person where you just send the friend request, right? So now Friend Connector is now smart enough that it already sent a friend request by selecting and matching up the criteria that you have given to him, as well as it already sent a particular message to that particular user who just received the friend request from your side. Now also you are telling Friend Connector that Friend Connector, whenever I'm receiving any friend request and then I'm accepting that, send them a message. Friend Connector will do that for you. Whenever you are saying that whenever I'm rejecting any friend request, send them a particular message, Friend Connector will do that. So as you can understand that Friend Connector is going to remove a lot of work from your plate and it will keep them on his own plate, right? And then now you have plenty of your time and hours to spend with your family, friends, or just go and watch some game or play football, cricket, or anything. Do whatever you want, right? Even while you are sleeping, you can run Friend Connector, boom, everything is getting done automated. Now there you might ask that, okay, so when I'm doing these automations, so Facebook might block my account, right? So yes, Facebook can do whatever they want. No one has any access to that, right? If Facebook actually is detecting that this is not a human being or as a bot, or you are running any automation and they are detecting that, yes, they will do that. So to mitigate that, Friend Connector has what? Friend Connector has the time limit, that how much gap you wanna give before sending one request to, like after one after another. Like you already have sent a friend request, so next friend request, when it will go. Now we suggest that it should be 3 to 5 minutes in a gap, so that Facebook will never detect that, okay, this is something is happening in an automated way and this is actually getting done by some human being only, that after 3 minutes or 5 minutes it is going. Even as you are now giving each and every person a particular personalized message each and every time whenever they are getting any message from your side, as those all are unique, so Facebook will never detect that this is everything is getting done by automation. So Facebook will detect that this is done by a human being, right? So we are tackling all of these things with Friend Connector, and this is the reason why you should use Friend Connector Pro, right? So if you still have questions, or if you think that, okay, means how other people are using it and are they even getting any means help from there or not, so you can easily visit the Chrome store and you can search for Friend Connector Pro, a Chrome extension, and you will find the link, and then from there you can go to the reviews page and you can read what other people are saying, right? So isn't it good to get this software quickly? So don't wait, just ping me and get this software just for you. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.